The Lechuza self-watering planter is unique in its design. The built-in sub-irrigation system creates perfect environment for your plant by providing drainage, delivering oxygen to the roots, and controlling water supply. Manufactured in Germany from the highest quality 100% recyclable plastic, these planters are lightweight. It can be easily moved around. The drainage system is well sealed, so you don't need any extra protection for your floors or furniture. Now I'm going to show you how to water your plants for the first 3 to 4 months before using the self-watering feature. We recommend waiting 3-4 months before using self-watering feature. This time frame is required for the roots to grow so they can easily reach water reservoir and start drinking water. When watering your plant, pour water slowly and evenly around the plant and between its stems. Now that 3 to 4 months have passed, you can start using the self-watering feature of your planter. Pour water until the red stick inside the plastic tube reaches the maximum mark. Now you wait for your plant to use all the water from the reservoir. How fast a plant will drink the water depends on light, temperature, humidity, and airflow in your space. When the red stick inside the plastic tube is back down to the minimum mark, the reservoir is empty. Do not refill the reservoir right away. The soil needs time to dry out. Just refill the reservoir to the maximum mark again. Continue this routine to help your plants grow and thrive. We wish you best of luck on your green journey. Grow something beautiful.